Alright guys, so today we're talking about the 3 most common Facebook ad mistakes that I see online marketers do and business owners. So if you actually make these mistakes, the thing is you're going to be wasting more money, you're going to be spending more money in ads in places where you shouldn't, and most importantly you're going to be annoying people, because at the end of the day it is people that see your ads. So if you make these mistakes, you're pretty much going to annoy so many people, and people get the option to report your ads when they see them, so you definitely don't want that. So the first one is excluding audiences, and what this means is when you're making your ad, you've got the option to exclude audiences, and the main thing I see is people that don't exclude people who have already bought from them. So you want to exclude people who have purchased, because if you don't do that, let's say I buy something from you and then you just keep retargeting me with the same ad to buy that product again when I've already bought it. So that's why you always want to exclude people who have purchased from you already. And instead, what you want to do is create an audience of people who have purchased and sell them something else. Literally, it's so simple. All you have to do is create an audience, and that way you're saving money because you're not sending ads to people who have already bought from you. And plus, you can make more money creating a new audience with those people who have bought from you and just sell them something else. And that's it. Alright, so I see so many people do this. Especially after I bought something and then they send me an ad again, getting me to try and get a free trial from them again. And it's like, look, I've already bought it from you. I don't need another free trial. I'm already a customer, so why are you trying to get me to get a free trial from you? So make sure you're excluding audiences. And this also applies to people who've added to cart. So you don't want to say, look, come recover your checkout or recover your cart if they haven't added to cart. So you want to make sure you're excluding people who have not added to cart and just keeping it relevant. That's the first one. The second one is retargeting sequences. Now, most people's retargeting sequences are just like, they're just too fast, they're just too weird, and it's just like, I'll give you an example. You go to someone's website, Shopify store, you add to cart, you opt in for Messenger, and like 10 seconds later, it's like, alright, here's 10% off, here's $50 off, here's 100% off, here's like, get all this free stuff, and it's like, it's too much in one go. It's just not realistic that people are just going to see that and just buy straight away. People need a bit of time to think. So if you're just going to come straight away with, here's a 30% discount, 50% discount, like the day after, it's just a bit too much. You want to take your time with it. There's a reason Amazon doesn't send you discounts. Like, they don't send discounts ever. They do like discounts like a couple times a year, rarely. So it's not like if you have to call on Amazon, they send you hundreds of discounts to try and get you to buy. People know they need it, so if they need it, they'll come back and buy most of the time. They just need a little reminder. So with the discounts, you want to send it out a little bit later if you're sending out discounts. So the main thing you want to do is just stretch out your retargeting sequence a little longer. Alright, I see most people, they're like, you buy something and the next day you get so many ads giving you discounts to buy straight away, and it's just not going to happen. You want to stretch it out just a little bit. You want to send some retarget with some testimonial videos, retarget with ads without a CTA, which is a call to action, so without a button to click anywhere. And lastly, you want to do those things and basically stretch it out a little bit, so you're not just straight away sending out discount codes as soon as they've added to cart, because people are expecting it, so you don't want to do straight away. And some people might do that just to get discount codes. So just stretch it out a little bit, and you'll see much better results, because 99% of the time, if people add it to cart of the initial checkout, they want to buy it anyway. So adding in all these incentives like, alright, here's free shipping, here's free shipping, here is $100 off, it just looks too weird if you do it too fast. So you want to stretch it out a little bit. So that's a retargeting sequence. Lastly is testing creatives. So when it comes to testing creatives, you want to have multiple creatives. So these are images and videos when you're retargeting people, or just generally when you're running your ads online. So make sure you're split testing different creatives, because what Facebook does is, once it's tested a few of them, so let's say you have 3 or 4 of them, if they found that a couple of them don't work well, it's going to move to the next one. So if you have about 6 to 10 creatives to test out, Facebook is going to test out all of them. So you want to give Facebook always want to have a good inventory that Facebook can use to run ads to. Because let's say you're letting your ads run by themselves. After a couple of days, Facebook will start realizing, okay, this ad's kind of dying out. We need something new. We need something new to push out. So you want to split test a lot of creatives, not just 3 or 4. You want to have like 10, or literally just have as many creatives every single week. You need to put out 5 to 10 new creatives every single week. Well, not 5 to 10. It depends what kind of industry you're in. But let's say in Shopify or e-commerce, I spend at least every Monday. Usually I do a Monday and like Saturday. I'll create more creatives. So I'll usually create about five new ones. So I create about 5 new creatives every week. So every day we've got a new one to test out. But it depends how big your campaigns are. You want to add new ones in as often as you can, because they do die out. People see them a lot, and then you get ad fatigue. And yeah, so those are 3 main mistakes. 1, exclude audiences, mainly purchases, so people who have bought from you, and create a new audience of those people and send them ads to buy other products from you. Secondly, it's retargeting sequences. Stretch them out a little bit. Don't send out all your good stuff the next day. Literally just stretch it out just a little bit longer, and you'll get better results, because people, they're kind of expecting it now, right? So you don't want to do that. That's retargeting sequences. So you can set out the coupon codes. Just do it like 3 days after, like a week after. You don't have to do it straight away. People don't forget. People don't forget to buy. They usually don't forget to buy. So if you're sending out the coupon code like the next day, it's a bit too early. So just leave it a little bit. If they haven't purchased within a week, send them a coupon code. If they still haven't purchased, retarget with a testimonial video, and then retarget with the product. Experiment with that, but the main thing is stretch it out a little bit, and it's gonna work so much better for you. Lastly, split test a lot of creatives, because especially if you're running ads every day, Facebook, they really want more creatives to send out or to test to your audience. So once it runs out of creatives, it's gonna need more. So if you don't have that many there, if you only got like 3 creatives there or 3 ads, it's just gonna keep using those, even though they're not that good, or it's not gonna send as much traffic to your website. So it's not gonna push those ads as much until you create new ones. So those are 3 most common Facebook ad mistakes. If you want to see more, let me know and leave a comment. Mistakes people make, because there's quite a lot, but these are the 3 main ones. Excluding one is the biggest one of all. If you're going to fix anything, just fix that one. Look at your audiences. Are you excluding or not? Literally, just look at that one. That's the main thing. And then you can go to the retargeting sequences and the split testing. And then there's a whole lot more as well. My nose just blocked for some reason. But yeah, peace out, guys, and new video tomorrow, daily upload.